Hello YouTubers, this is Motor Tester of the Week, and this week's just going to be a very quick one. Today I'm going to be testing a Paidiss 2836 3500 kV. It's the MT 2836. These motors, yeah, they're sort of Chinese motors, but I got these off eBay. They seem pretty mental. It's got a rating of up to, I think it was on the performance stats, it said 84 amps and 1200 watts of power on 4-cell. It's ridiculous for a little outrunner 2836 size. What have I got? I've got running a Turnigy AE80 amp speed controller. And first test is just on the on 3-cell. Highest C rating 3-cell got is that Zippy 2200 milliamp 40C. Could do with a slightly bigger milliamp battery. But yeah, just going to try it on 3-cell first. I've got a 5x5 TGS prop. Let's see what we get on the thrust. Oh, that pink thing there is a blast shield. So made of fiberglass. I'm a bit worried on these high-speed motors if the prop breaks, because I have had one go before, and the blade of the propeller went straight through the screen of my watt meter, which wasn't very good. So on these high-speed ones, I stick this bit of fiberglass there just to protect the watt meter. As you can see, it's in line, so it stops that, protects the watt meter and the battery. Right, okay, let's see what thrust we get on 3-cell on a 5x5. Oh, what was that? 1260 grams of thrust. Right. That velcroed on there. Let's get this to focus. Come on, focus camera. Oh, yeah, alright. We got 68 amps, 755 watts. It's not bad. Could probably put a slightly bigger prop than that on there, but not going to risk it. Alright, put the glass shield back on, velcroed on. Alright, I'm just going to prop down and then try it on 4-cell. Okay, I've got 4-cell in there now. I've got a Zippy compact 2700 milliamp 60C. It's one of these high powered 60C ones. And let's put the shield on. And I've propped down to a 4.5 by 4.5. It's a TGS prop. They recommend a 4.5 by 4.5 on these. It's on 4-cell. So let's see what thrust we get. That is ridiculously loud. And what we got? 13.96 on the voltage drop. Only 77 amps. And what was that? 77.4, 1147 watts. So I think the spec said that a 4.5 by 4.5 would draw 84 amps and 1220 watts and put out, I think it's 1450 grams of thrust. But as this is a TGS prop. They're a lot more efficient. As you saw there, it puts out way more thrust and only draws 77.5 amps. That is incredible. That was a bit more of a burst that time, so that yeah, that went up quite a bit because I did just whack the throttle up. 80 amps, 1235 watts, so that did whack that up a bit. I was thinking of trying a 4.75 by 4.75, but that'd probably be a bit too much. So yeah, motor's only warm. Let's see what temperatures we get. 36, 37, yeah, 37 degrees there. Ooh. Is that 39, 38, 39 degrees there? It would obviously be a bit more cooler in flight, as it's set up on this as a pusher, so there's no air going over it, so it would cool down in flight. But I don't think there's any need to prop up on that, because that was putting out, what was it, over 1600 grams of thrust on a 4.5 prop, which is incredible. These motors are insane. I think they're like a copy of the NTM prop drives, but the max you can get on an NTM prop drive on the 2836 is 3000 kV. Most people know they go to about, you can run those at 800-900 watts quite easily, but this one, 1200 watts, mental. Depending on where you get it from, these do actually come with the prop adapter that goes on the end, so you can mount as pusher with the cross mount, and they're pretty damn good. Right, I think that'll just be a short one today. That was motor test of the week, the MT2836 3500 kV Paidiss motor. Right, if you like this video, click like and subscribe, and you'll see lots of more motor tests like this one. See you later.